what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Nazi, back with another video, man. And hey, man, today's gonna be another video. So right now I'm on the way to pick up my second check for my second job. You dig? Cause you know your boy gotta pay for this thing. So as y'all read the title on that video, man, y'all see we got the screen right here. So I got it to where I think y'all can see my RPMs. We gonna change it. So we got that Hall Tech in this thing. So we got the 20. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, that joint look fire. Hold on, let's go back to that one. So we got the damn near 30-year-old car with the screen in it. You feel me? We gotta make this thing like as modern as possible. So I think that's like the old school joint right there. Hold on. Look at that, that's crazy. We got everything we need. We got a diagnostic screen. We got back to this joint right here. This is probably like what I drive on like on a daily basis, but hold on, we're gonna go back to the one we was at. Yeah. So yeah, that joint got the gear I'm in right there, which isn't always correct, but because this car is a 5-speed, so it says I'm in 6th gear, but I think it goes based off of the speed. So if I downshift, it says I'm in 4th, so that's correct. So when I go back to 5th, it registers as 6. So I don't know what's exactly wrong with that, but everything else on it is pretty correct. So we'll downshift and give y'all a little more. See it, man, this thing floats. I don't know if y'all can hear the T51R mod, but as I drive this car more and more, I can hear it more and more. So at first I couldn't really hear it at all, but I can't really hear it with the windows down. It's only like if I'm like riding through a place that has like a lot of buildings, you know what I'm saying? So oh yeah, y'all, we hit 1,000 subscribers today. So man, when I woke up this morning, I seen that, I was like, oh my god, like, you feel what I'm saying? And I know to a lot of other platforms, 1,000 subscribers isn't a lot, but man, we've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for the longest time. So just to see 1,000 subscribers up there, man, that means everything to your boy, you know what I'm saying? So I thank everybody for all the support. Everybody commented on my videos, man, y'all mean the world to me. I'm here for my subscribers, man. So we're a big family here. I'm not Hollywood or nothing like that. I don't even care if I have 100,000 subscribers. I know a lot of people say that, but man, like, we're all a family. So if you hit that subscribe button, man, hey, it's like I've known you for years, you know what I'm saying? So if I see any of my subscribers out, or you watch any of my videos, even if you're not a subscriber, come up to me, talk to me, have a conversation, you know what I'm saying? Some people just kind of like see me and look at me kind of weird, you know, like they do know me but they don't want to speak. But if you do know me, you know what I'm saying, like, walk up to me, have a conversation with me, you know what I'm saying? I don't bite. So man, thank y'all for that 1,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna keep on uploading videos for y'all. I'm gonna keep on pushing for y'all, and yeah, we gonna have a good year. Man, this thing sounds so good. I think I say that like every single video, but bro, this thing sounds good. So y'all can see, man, everything is calibrated. It says I'm in neutral right now. Man, so I'm learning new things about this car every single day that I drive it. Right now we have a like a little power steering leak underneath that I'm gonna address when I get to it. It's not too much big of a deal, but yeah, so we're dealing with that right now. But other than that, everything's been cool. Car's been running great. Y'all tell me how y'all like this view too from my GoPro. Like if it's too high, if it's too low. Like y'all tell me like kind of where y'all want it at. Cause I can't, like I've been trying to adjust it like every single video, trying to see like where it sits best. Bro, this joint looks so crazy, bro. When the screen comes on, fire. Just filled up on 85, y'all. So got about 50% ethanol in this thing right now. I had 91 in it, so it was about like the 700 horsepower range, 700 horsepower range. But yeah, so we just went and put some E85 in this thing. It's one on 91, but I don't know. I think the car runs better on E85. If I'm doing like any like long trips or something like that, then I'll go ahead and throw some pump gas in it. But other than that, yeah, I'll just keep E85 in it. Give y'all a little video today, man, while I was going to run a couple errands. Guys, that'll be the end of the video. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy gonna be putting out them videos daily for y'all boys, probably like every other day. So y'all boys stay tuned. Y'all boys have a good one.